kids, it's Pihu.
And Tasia.
And today we're going to be showing you how to clean pennies
with vinegar.
It's going to be very exciting. So let's just get right into it. So, Tasia, you want to tell us what the materials are?
Of course. So first you need 1/4 cup of some vinegar. White vinegar is preferred, but I'm pretty sure apple cider will work as well. And you also need about 10 pennies. I have mine in a bowl right here, if you can see that. And make sure they're dirty pennies, so not shiny ones. And you also need 1 tablespoon of some salt. Teaspoon, not tablespoon, my bad.
Yeah. So okay. To clean the pennies, you would first have to pour the vinegar into the bowl, as Tasia and I will do now. You guys see a colorful bowl.
Yeah. So first you just want to pour your vinegar in.
And make sure you get all of it in.
Yeah. Okay.
And then
you want to take your salt and get 1 teaspoon of salt. And just put it into the vinegar. And mix it a little.
I think I got too much salt. It's okay. I'm just gonna make sure you use a proper measuring spoon like the one that Tasia has, and not the random normal tablespoon that I'm actually using.
So once you're done mixing that up a little bit, just put on your pennies in.
And then, put all the pennies in there.
Yeah. And you just kind of want to mix them up a little, rub them.
So the reason this is exciting is because the end result is so much more different than the beginning. In the beginning, you have these ugly, gross-looking pennies, and then by the end, you have these pennies that look like they were just minted. So it's very cool. And I think most of us end up doing this experiment at some point in school, but it's still interesting to do it on your own for fun, rather than with the teacher.
And the coolest thing is that it's all science.
Exactly. We love science, right, Tasia?
Of course we do.
Favorite subject.
So basically, the vinegar in the science experiment is an acid. And when it reacts with the salt, after you mix it together, it basically gets rid of the copper oxide on the pennies. And once that happens, the pennies become much more shiny, and it gets rid of all the dirt and nastiness that was on it before.
And then when you leave the pennies to dry on the towel, it gives off a type of green chemical called malachite, which is basically something that the pennies were like covered in before, but now it's been oxidized and everything. So you get these new shiny looking pennies. So after leaving them in for a while, you want to kind of move them around, and then sometimes afterwards they'll need a little bit of rubbing because there's a little bit of residue left on them, and you have to wash it with water.
Okay, do you think we're ready to take them out?
Yes, I think so.
So just take them out and place them on your napkin.
Wow, they look really shiny.
They're much more shinier than before. And I just have some water here, which I'm going to use to rinse them off. You may want to rub them to get a little more shininess.
Wow. Look how shiny it is.
Me too.
Super shiny pennies.
So they're definitely more shiny than before. Before they were pretty much not copper. They looked like brown.
Yeah, mine had some mold on them. It's very tasty. It might take a few tries depending on how dirty your pennies are.
Yeah.
And if your pennies are that dirty, then you need to do it multiple times. I suggest keeping your pennies cleaner in the future.
Yeah, so if you want to see the pennies, here they are. Some of them are not completely shiny, but that's because they were very dirty before. But other than that, they are much more shinier because of the reaction that just took place with the vinegar and salt.
Yes, same with my pennies right here. A lot of them are still dirty, but given a few more trials of this experiment, they would definitely come out completely shiny or close to
Yep.
it.
So that was our science experiment for today.
I hope you guys had fun, and if you have any questions, please reach out to
Girl Up.
Girl Up Plainsboro.
Thank you for joining us.
Thank you. Bye.